for fattening up shop. Didn't bring me wallet. I would have actually liked to grab some stuff there. Yeah, I think I'm about to wrap it up here. This is the way I'm going to walk down. I'll hit the pedestrian lights. So yeah, if you want to see more of this content, well, I have loads of it ready to go. I think we're in February now. I shot this on January 8th. So I'm a bit ahead because I'm trying to cover for my trip to Thailand. I was going to cross that road there. Good thing I didn't. I'll do some walking videos over in Thailand too. Yeah. And then check out my YouTube photography channel. It's mainly models at the moment, so I'm still kind of deciding what to do with the blend. Whether I'm going to blend this one with landscape photography, and then the other one just be full models, lookbooks. Ooh, hot chocolate with marshmallow cream, $2.50. That sounds good. Soup and a sandwich, €5. Then we have a butcher's, Thai Zone. Yeah, Thai Zone. I haven't heard that name in ages. Frocks and frills. Ooh, that place looks nice. All antique stuff. That'd be cool if I had a studio. Get some of that equipment, put it in the studio, great for photo shoots. And deals, it's like your pound store or your dollar store. You get the cheap plasticky stuff. Yeah, so still debating on what to do with my YouTube channels. I don't want to mix the models onto this one. I know that for sure. But as for non-models and like landscape, I might blend it into this one. Might just make it easier. So if you're interested in photography and landscape photography, let me know in the comments below. We'll go over like the basics and then go into advanced. And then, I don't want to say anything just yet, but I do have plans. Not just plans for today and tomorrow. I have future plans for down the road. So, we'll see how this channel evolves over time. Anyway, I think that's mainly everything in my little rant. So, like, subscribe, comment, YouTube, share, blah 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 blah. Hope you enjoyed the walk.